So the next technology box shows you how to make bar charts or bar graphs from grouped data. So instead of having a long list of the raw data that was initially collected, it's already been organized into a frequency or relative frequency chart. Okay, so again in here I'm just going to open up the previous data file that we had. And in the first column of the data there was the car type by raw data. But in the last few columns of this data table, we see car category and car frequency. So here are the 6 categories that we had, where again we created that other category and the frequencies we had for each of those. So if we want to try to make the bar chart from data that's already been grouped instead of raw data, there's just a few different clicks here. So we're going to go up to Graph and again choose Bar Plot, but now instead of with data we're going to say with summary because it's already been summarized in a frequency table. And then we need to tell it where the categories are, so we're going to choose the column that was called Car Category, and we need to tell it where the counts are, so we're going to tell it that's in Car Frequency. Again, we can order by value ascending or descending. We can click, value above bar. In this case, we don't need to put anything in this box because we already have that other category created in the table for us. Okay, so once we've done that, again, we can make sure we can put in an x-axis label and y-axis label, but the car category and car frequency are already there, so they're pretty descriptive. And then we would put a title though, so types of car driven by college students we would place in that title box there. Okay, and then we can scroll down and click Compute.